Hello mga cooking ina! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today we're making Beef Sinigang Soup, which gets its sour flavor from tamarind. This recipe is popular in the Philippines. Our ingredients are beef. This is a chopped beef. You can cut it in any way you want. I like in this thick of the slice. And we have pechay, string beans, onion, chili. We have chili, spring onions, tomato, radish, and tamarind powder. This is a tamarind powder, and eggplant, and whole black pepper, this, and salt, and beef cubes. This is all our ingredient we need in this recipe. For me, I prepare to use a pressure cooker so that it's quick to tender the meats. So I have a pressure cooker, but if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use also the ordinary pot for cooking to tender your meat. So I'm going to cook this in the pressure cooker. So like this, and then we additional our whole black pepper and our salt and water. We label our water to our meat, and then I'm going to cook this one in a pressure cooker like 15 minutes so that it's not too tender our meat. Just only 15 minutes. So like this, and then I lock the pressure cooker. So I'm going to put it in the soup. So now our pressure cooker has cooled down. We open it. Let's start our next step. We need to heat our pot. Put little bit of oil. I like to use this oil because with vitamin D. So first, we put our onion like this. Igisa muna natin yung ating onion. And then our tomato. And then after this, we're going to put our meat, the one that we cook in the pressure cooker. This one, it's tender our meat now. So we do like this. So, and then the stocks of our meat, we're going also to put it in here. Do like this. Oops. Do like that. There's more meat. So, and then we mix this. And then we're going to put our radish. Like this, we put all the ingredients. Our eggplant and our tamarind powder. We do like this. This is a tamarind powder. And then we mix well. our radish, eggplant, and then our string beans. And then our chili, green chili. And we put our beef cubes so that it's more giving more flavor. Now our beef sinigang is ready. Now our beef sinigang soup is ready, and I'm going to try it. The meat is so tender because I cook in the pressure cooker. It's very good. The texture of the meat is so tender. It's good, this one with the rice. It's very good. I hope you like my video, and please share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless!